Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this overhead selfie stick tripod from ULANZI. Color is white. It comes in two colors, so there is a black and a white, and I picked white because I've always had black tripods. So let's see. I will link the product in the description if you would like to check it out on Amazon. As you can see, it's well packed. It's got this foam to protect the product. This is a nice container there. This is actually my first magnetic tripod or selfie stick, which is very nice because my phone is very heavy. It's the Samsung S24 Ultra, so with the case it's very bulky, and those clamp things doesn't really work. So I'm excited to try this out on my Samsung. It comes with an instruction, and if your phone doesn't have a MagSafe, you can actually attach one with a sticker. And here's the instruction. What else? And you got this charger for the, I think this is for the remote, and I think that's it. Item. And the pretty cool thing about this selfie stick is it has this, it can like stand sideways, so you can hang it on a branch of a tree. Let me try to open it. It's very sleek and compact. It's like a nice heavy material. Even if it's a plastic, it's like a heavy plastic. Opens. As you can see, the footprint, it's not very big. It fits on my table, and let's see how tall it extends. I'm gonna put, here's my 5-year-old, and it's actually pretty tall. As you can see here, it's almost as tall as me, and it's over my height, and I'm 5'1", so it's pretty tall. As you can see, and I think this is made of aluminum, and it's nice and steady and sturdy. It's just super nice. And then for the top piece, it rotates forwards, and this thing opens up, so you can also attach your phone right here if you don't want to use the magnet. And let's see if it'll magnet right now. My phone's magnet right now, so let's see if it sticks. So that's holding my phone right now. Which is, let's see, it's actually pretty steady. I'm shaking it right now. So yeah, it holds it really well. Yeah, it's hard to remove. See, you can see the snap, that's the magnet. So even if I like move the phone, it doesn't fall. You could like twist the phone without any problem, which is super nice. I don't have to clamp it, so I'm really impressed. You can use it like two ways. I think you could twist it like this all the way, and then it has a lot of, very flexible. So I'm really happy with this product. And once again, I'll link this product in the description if you like it. And the last part is, let's try the foot, which is so you can, I think you're supposed to do this. If you want to hang it on the, you're gonna open the bottom piece right here, and you can hang it. You can hang it on a ledge like so. If you want your, like that, so you can hang it on a ledge. So you can hang it like in corners like that. You want it to hold, which is super nice. So